In this video, I'll show you what to do to get your PayPal money on hold for 21 days released. Don't go after them. Trust me, you're gonna end up losing your money. Just leave it. With PayPal, 21 days on hold means 21 days. I recorded this video in advance for the sake of this tutorial. As you can tell, right here, payment from Chase Rayner SC on hold. First, you have to click on the payment from the vendor. In this case, I have to click on it. On this page, you can tell the money on hold since October 12, 2023. The secret here is there's nothing much you can do when this happens, but for your money to be released after 21 days, you need to work on your activities, your address, and the order. If you do that, after 21 days, you'll get your money released. If you don't see this page, you just have to go to activity and click on it. Next is to click on the add tracking information. Click on the order status, all right? Then click on order processed because I sold digital product, but in your case, if it's physical product, just click on shipped, or even if it's in process, but in most cases, it's gonna be shipped, or whatever applies to your situation. With digital product, your client doesn't have to wait to get the product because most digital products are download products. They'll have it instantly. Even if it's a course, they'll have access to the course right away. This applies to me. I'll click on order processed. Now, this is important. Make sure the tracking information not required is checked. If it's a digital product, you don't need to check tracking information because like I said earlier on, it's downloaded already. But if it's physical, then check tracking number. Then you're gonna add the tracking number, courier number, or whatever applies to it. Submit when you are done. Click on submit. All right, you have successfully updated order information. An email will be sent to your customer with the information you provided. Go to transaction details. This is the transaction details. You have successfully updated your shipment information. You will get your money within 1 day of delivery. What it means is as soon as the 21 days over, you're gonna get the money. In my case, when I updated this thing, after the 21 days, that was yesterday, the 2nd, because from the 12th October to November 2nd is 21 days. Right away, the money was in. It's $300.50 US, but I have another affiliate transaction add up. I'll go in and show you what it is. As you can tell on this page, Chase Rayner SEO is completed. But when you check the old one, it says on hold. But as soon as the money is released, you see it available under the balance. Now, it's up to you to transfer. To transfer the money, I can just go here, transfer money. I'll go to transfer money. And this is the total amount that I have in US. Now, there are two options. If I want the money in minutes, then I'll be charged 1.5% fee on this amount, or in 1 to 5 days with no fee. And the funny thing is, I've been using PayPal for my online business, though I get paid all the time from other vendors. The fact is, once you sell a high ticket product, they tend to do this kind of waiting games, but it's just to protect their customers. Yeah, this is the reason why they do that. Now, the secret here is when they say 21 days means 21 days. And I will advise you not to do otherwise. Don't go, what are you talking about? You can't keep my money for 21 days. Please give me my money, blah, 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 blah. When you do that, trust me, you're gonna mess up everything. Just leave it the way it is. And like I show you, your activities or your tracking information, just go and update it. If you have to update your phone number or whatever, make sure everything is updated on your profile, especially when you sell a high ticket, they tend to do these things. Just make sure your shipment information or your order information is updated like I showed you. If you need to add your address, add it, and don't do anything else. Don't go chatting and fighting them. No, just wait. I have my checking account integrated to this payment method already. All I need to do is to click transfer now. You transferred $420.68 in Canadian because they've converted the money already. That's why it's in this amount. Anyhow, then I'll click done. But like I said, it doesn't take long. My current balance is $0 because I've transferred all the amount. This is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.